This is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Dobsonville Stadium, Kaiser Chiefs 3, AS Simba 1. My brother, how's it?
Hey, Babu Ngabongjat.
Shamjan Bush.
So my follow.
Igama bani ubuya
Bush Pume Albertine.
Albertine.
Yeah.
All the way from Albertine.
Albertine.
To collect 3 goals.
To collect three
Yeah.
goals.
Asana my 3 points now.
So if it's 3 points. Yeah, but he point. You couldn't point.
That's all. Good. A cube. As long as ni qhubekela phambili.
That's right, Babu.
But your take on the game tonight?
The game was excellent. Excellent. Now what I liked is when I compared the game yesterday.
Yeah.
You know the technical. The game was won before the game started.
Yeah.
But you could see the lineup. It was a winning lineup. From the bench to the first starting, it was already a win.
Chiefs has depth now, eh?
That's got depth. You don't know who to put out.
Yeah.
So all of them, when you put one, they will perform. So now, what I would say to the coaches now is if they will listen to this name,
they will definitely.
They will definitely.
Yeah, just talk to them.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
We don't want to frustrate him. Put him in the first lineup. Don't sap him. You frustrate him because we as a fan, put under pressure. We expect more from him. But when we put him first, we know we will do mistakes and we'll put challenge. He will recover.
Exactly,
and he will try to score. That's what we want. Trying until we score. So this game today was from, like some say, we won from the start.
From the start,
we did not win when we win from the first game. For the first goal, we already won. Our back line was super. Cross was playing, was free. Uboyega Makafi was excellent. Actually, the back, Quiniga, look at Quiniga. He moved from the back to the front. Now he looks like a striker.
Even Solomon,
Solomon is the best. Actually, we have star. That guy, when he moved forward, we all stand up.
Exactly.
But he used to this stadium. Obviously, he was from Salos.
Oh yes.
This is the home ground for him.
He was shining.
He was shining. I was looking and said, this is my stadium.
Exactly.
They were shining. It was a home ground today. So the game was excellent. Namasapwe was excellent.
And what's your take on the support?
And the support. Now, guys, thank you very much. Our supporters, you play a big role. You remind me of the old days. You stand behind your team. You played a very much. We are number 12.
Exactly,
We are number 12. We make sure that we all come. Look at the stadium was full.
Man.
We were all behind our boys. Exactly. There was no booing today. There was no
on a Sunday.
On a Sunday. We are working tomorrow, but we are here.
Exactly.
There was no booing. There was no say sap who.
Exactly.
We know when they put this one, even this one will do their job. Guys, thank you very much. You did the supporters.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hola.